morning, YouTube. This is RyRy here. Just about to do an oil change on my Hawk 250. Just want to go over a couple things you need before doing your oil change. 24 millimeter socket right there, a ratchet to go with it, or you can use a 24 millimeter wrench. Oil, I'm using conventional 20W50. Takes about 1.5 quarts. Gloves to keep you clean. Container for recycling oil. I just use the old containers. A funnel comes in handy to get it in that small opening for the engine crankcase. Rags come in handy for cleaning up messes you might make. That's really about it. Just a little bit of time and we'll be done with the oil change. Alright, see you at the bike. Good morning, YouTube. This is RyRy here. I just got a magnetic oil fill plug off of eBay for about 15 bucks, and I'm gonna be putting that on my Hawk 250 right now. Alright, what you're gonna need is a ratchet or a wrench with 24 millimeter wrench or socket like this. And here's the magnet. This will hopefully catch contaminants in the oil. And by the way, I just recently changed the oil on my motorcycle, so I'm going to save it and reuse what I can. No sense in wasting the oil if it's only been there for just a little while. Here I just decided to go ahead and speed up the process. Just trying to get the bolt or the drain plug off. Okay, so here is the new magnet. And I'm just going to place it right in here in the original drain cap for the oil filter. And this kind of goes right around, or goes sort of kind of around the inside of the spring. Once again, here I decided just to speed up the video and skip minutes worth of trying to put the drain plug back in. It took a little bit of effort, but got it in. I'm glad I'm able to make this video for you all, just to show folks how easy it is just to change your own oil on the Hawk 250 motorcycle. Alright, YouTube, I'm back. I had a little bit of a oil everywhere kind of incident. So while trying to put the drain plug in, that spring has got a lot of springiness, I guess, and it leaked oil out. Just had to clean it up a little bit, so nothing too major. And then over here, you do the filling of the oil. That is right, let's see here, right there. It's a little plastic cap with a oil fill line indicator or dipstick. Pretty handy. Here it is, and just set that aside for now. And I'm going to put in the old oil that I had that's fairly new still, so no need to waste this stuff if it's only got a few miles on it. There's one. And that wasn't a full quart, that was just leftover. This should be the full quart. So it takes about, I usually put in about a quart and a half, a little bit less than half, a little less than a quart and a half. And yep, and of course, once you're completed, make sure you start up your bike, let it idle for a little bit, a couple minutes, and then turn it off and let it sit for a few minutes, and then check your oil level on a level surface. And I'm using just the standard Wal-Mart big box store conventional 2050. It's up to you what you all want to use. Good to the last drop. Even motor oil is good. I know I'll have to add a little bit more oil because I did spill a little bit here and there on the ground. So, but that's how you do it. Just fire it up and check the oil level after you're done idling a little bit. All right, all wrapped up now. What I ended up doing was not using this drain plug because it's not wide around enough, it's not big enough right here to put the magnet in with the spring. So I just used the spring in the original drain plug. These were extra things for, I think, specific model scooters or small bikes like this. So here's the finished product. You can see I used some wood shavings to clean up the oil I spilled. And I'm gonna give it a start here and fire it up and see what happens.